friends, my name is Akash Ahuja Jr. Today we will be learning how to draw binary patterns. First of all, what is binary exactly? We need to check. Binary is technically a pattern of ones and zeros. What does these one and zeros mean? Binary is used to make advanced applications and everything. Before you exit this video because you're thinking this is too hard, we're going to do the basics of binary. First of all, welcome to Code A to Z episode 3. Today I will be using code.org. So, as you must have learned in the past two videos, we drew an application. No, not an application. We drew a picture. So in episode 1, our picture was an angel smiley, and in episode 2, our picture was a cat face. Today we will be making patterns. So what does 0 mean and what does 1 mean? 0 means that the square is dark. 1 means that the square is light. In other words, 0 means off, 1 means on. I bet many of you might have iPads or iPhones. When your iPad or iPhone is on, that's 1, and when it's off, that's 0. So binary is a combination of 1 and zeros. What is it asking us here? We need to draw this successfully. Right now we have many, so we need to draw the black squares and the yellowish greenish squares. So I'm going to use a repeat loop. If you guys are still confused, you will understand soon. I'm going to repeat 4 times. 4? Yeah. I'm going to make the code 0, 1. You see, I need to repeat 4 times the code 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. That's 4 times. Just watch. I'm going to show you in a slow-mo. See, it's coloring the ones and whites. Okay, we are done. Let's move on. Okay, I know you might be confused, but you have to see that right now they already did the code for me. It's saying repeat 4 times, draw a binary 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. And then after it repeats that, it will repeat the binary 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, which makes sense. So because this is an 8x8 grid and we have 2 binary codes of 1 line each, because this binary code is 1 line, so 2 binary codes, 1 line each, repeating it 4 times, so that would be 8 lines because this is an 8x8 grid. So let's run. See, it's coloring all the ones whites. Okay, so now you can see each line looks identical. Means each line must be the same. So let's start. We need to choose one line to put here in the draw binary section. This is an 8x8 grid again. So we must draw binary 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 for each line 8 times. So this is the code. Good. We are done. Let's continue. Now once again it's an 8 by 8 grid, but why am I repeating it over and over again? For this puzzle, it's very important that we do that. One second, let me close this. Yeah, it's very important that we follow this step. So 8 times 8 is 64 squares. So it's saying repeat 21. What is 64 divided by 21? Some of you must have already realized 21 doesn't go into 64. It only goes into 63. 21 times 3 is 63. So let's say 64 divided by 21 is about 3. So I'm going to draw binary 0 0 1. Now how does this work? Because there are 64 squares and it will repeat the pattern 21 times, it will cover 63 squares. But then guess what? It will repeat the pattern again starting from 0, and then the pattern is done. So it will go like 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1, so on until it gets here, and then it repeats again. Just this time there's one more square remaining, and that would be 0. Hopefully you understood, and you guys can always pause or rewind the video to understand my code. We are done. Okay, looks like they already did the code for us. But something's wrong with the code. Let's run it. Right now it shows a smiley face. But the code makes a, drum roll please. I'll run the code. It's a frown. We need to make a smiley face. So we need to change a few things. So this line is fine. These lines are all fine. But the main error comes once it comes to this line and this line. So let me edit it a little. So this line is the 6th line. Let me check how they made it again, the frown. Okay, so there's a problem. So now there's an error in the 5th line. So we have to go to the 5th binary string and now edit it. So that needs to be 1. You can see 1 and then 6 zeros, 0 0 0 0 0 0, and then another 1. For the 6th line, I'm going to point to it. The 6th line has to be 0 1 and then 4 zeros and then 1 1 and another 0. So the 6th line is fine. The 7th line is incorrect. It's not supposed to be 1 and then 6 zeros and 1. It's supposed to be 0 0 4 ones and then 0 0. 0 0 4 ones then 0 0. And then the last line obviously needs to be everything 0. Let's run it. Good job. We are done. Okay, we need to repeat 11 times. Okay, let's do some math. What is 64 divided by 11? I'm gonna guess it's about 6. Wait, 11 doesn't go into 64. So, actually, we need to write 6 lines of code, though it will repeat it 11 times. So, I'll show you what I mean. 66 is 2 more than 64. Once again, this is an 8 by 8 grid. So if I write the first 6 numbers, 1 1 0 0 1, you can see 1 1 0 0 1 0. And then 1 1 0 0 1 0, 1 1 0 0 1 0. It will repeat for 11 times. So let's say after many times, 6, it gets to the 60th square. So 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Then repeats the pattern again, 1 1 0 0, and then we're done. Because it will no longer count the 1 0. If you guys are confused, you can always pause or rewind the video. Repeat 13 times. Same concept. 13 times 5 is 65, and which is close enough to 64. So I need to write I need to write the code of 5 squares. First one is 1, second one is 0, third and fourth are 1, fifth is 0, and we are done. Because 5 times 13 is 65. So let's say that we're on the 60th square. So because 5 goes into 60, 5 times 12. So that would be 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 60. So now we'll repeat the pattern again. 1, 0, 1, 1. And it will not count to 0. We are done. Now we need to add. Right now everything's add code. Right now everything's fine. But the drawing is not completed. I'm gonna run it. Perfect. Let's continue. Draw binary. Zero one 0 1 0 1 0 1. You can see 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Next line. So you can see my mouse pointer. So now focus on the next line. It would be, or should I just run it? Give me a second. Good. Next line. Zero one 0 1 1 1 0 1. Next line. 0 1. Oh yeah, let me run it. Okay, next line. 0 1 0 0 0 0 0. Because 5 zeros, then 1. Let's run it. And the last line. 0, and then everything else 1. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. We are done. Give me a sec. And good news, you guys are done learning the basics of binary. Good job. And I'll see you in episode 4. Thank you for watching Code A to Z.